हेलो एवरीवन। टॉपिक 2 सेबी का नेक्स्ट केस है चेयरमैन ऑफ सेबी वर्सेस श्री राम म्यूचुअल फंड एंड अदर 2006 का केस है सुप्रीम कोर्ट। इसमें फैक्ट ऐसे है, रेस्पोंडेंट श्री राम म्यूचुअल फंड वाज ए म्यूचुअल फंड provision made by the SEBI prohibited a mutual fund from the dealing with the stock brokers beyond 5% of its aggregate sales and purchase. It was an admitted fact that in 12 instances, Shriram violated this limit. Penalty was levied. Shriram pleaded before the SAT. The appellant did not appear before the Supreme Court. That time, violation was not intentional, and there were certain genuine circumstances that required them to deal with such brokers beyond the maximum limit. The SAT set aside the order of the penalty on the purported ground that the penalty to be imposed for failure to perform a statutory obligation is a matter of discretion. Acha. Then tribunal had held that penalty is warranted by the quantum which has decided by the taking into consideration the factor stated in section 15 capital J. The whether the tribunal was justified in allowing the appeal of the respondent herein, and the whether once it is conclusively established that the mutual fund has violated the terms of the certificate of registration and the statutory regulation, that is the SEBI regulation. मतलब यहाँ पे ट्रिब्यूनल जो था उसके जस्टिफिकेशन पे सवाल उठा था कि जो अपील में गया था म्यूचुअल फंड, तो उसके अपील को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया गया था। ठीक है, बोला गया कि डिस्क्रिप्शन है। यहाँ पर डिसीजन पे आते हैं। The SEBI Act and the regulation are intended to regulate the security market and related aspects and imposition of the penalty in the given facts and the circumstances of the case cannot be tested on the ground of the no mens rea no penalty. यहाँ पे मेंस रिया के प्रोविजन को भी इंटरटेन किया गया था। यहाँ बोला गया था कि जो सेबी एक्ट है ना, उसके जो रेलिवेंट रेगुलेशंस हैं आर इंटेंडेड टू रेगुलेट द सिक्योरिटी मार्केट एंड रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट्स. द इम्पोजिशन ऑफ द पेनाल्टी इन द given facts and circumstances of the case cannot be tested on the ground of the no mens rea no penalty. For the breaches of the provisions of the SEBI Act and their regulations, which are civil in nature, mens rea is not essential. On the particular facts and the circumstances of the case, proper exercise of the judicial discretion is a must, but not on the foundation of that mens rea is an essential to impose the penalty in each and every breach of the provision of the SEBI Act. The penalty in attracted is soon as the contravention of the statutory obligation as the contemplated by the Act and the regulation is established. Hence, the intention of the parties committing such violation becomes wholly irrelevant. So, यहाँ पे intention नहीं देखा जाएगा. If you violates the provision of the SEBI Act and their regulation, then it amounts to penalty. Okay. तो conclusion में लिखेंगे, so the SEBI strongly believes that the investors are the soul of the securities market and they need to be protected, and the interest of the investor for the development of the capital market. SEBI deals with all the policies and the regulations of the market. SEBI also signed a contract with the International Organization of the Security Commission and allow its member to maintain the regular check for the cross-border misconduct in their respective jurisdiction. This case is considered as the landmark case in the India's corporate landscape, as it helped to preventing war between the MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the SEBI, सिक्योरिटी एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. तो थैंक यू सो मच. टॉपिक 2 आपका ओवर हो गया. यहाँ पे इसमें 2 केस किए. नेक्स्ट केस में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम टॉपिक 3 कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू.